Hello there. It's me MD. With you from SaskiYano. Here we are in a new tutorial. This tutorial is about an introduction to master properties in Adobe After Effects. Now, let's start our tutorial. For this tutorial, if you want to follow along with me, I am working with After Effects project file. Understanding master properties. You will find this project file with the media associated with this tutorial. You can download it from the link down below in the description box. After downloading the project file, just double-click on the project file to open it in After Effects. Master properties give you the ability to manage changes and versions more easily across multiple graphics. Let me show you what I mean. If we look at our current project here, I am in the Norway composition, and this composition has a pre-composition called title animation and a background stock piece video. So, I'm gonna move back to the beginning of the timeline and press the space bar so we can check out the animation. You can see it's just simply animated title. But what if I want to be able to change the color of this title? Or change the text itself? Well, I'll press the spacebar to stop playback. Usually, if I want to make changes, I need to go ahead and open up this pre-composition, because if I open this up here, you can see I only have transform options. So, what I'll do is just double-click on this pre-composition, which is going to open the title animation composition. Now, if I scrub through the timeline here, you can see this is where the main animation of this graphic currently lies. Now, I want to specify the things that I'd like to be able to change. These will end up being master properties. So, in order to do that, I need to go up to my workspaces, and I'm gonna go across my workspaces here. And I'll click on the double way arrows. And I'll go to the Essential Graphics panel. In that panel, I need to select a composition to be my master composition. So, I'll click on that drop down, and I'll choose the title animation composition to be the master. And then, I'll tell it to solo supported properties. Now once I've clicked that, you'll notice I have a whole bunch of different properties that I could customize. So, I want to be able to change the text for the location. So here, I'm gonna scroll down to where it says Norway. And I'll click on source text. And I will drag that and drop it right up here in the Essential Graphics panel. And I'll rename that location text. Perfect. Now, I also want to change the color of this graphic, so I will scroll around until I can actually see inside frame. And the fill color is blue. So, I'll drag that color up here. And I will rename this bar color. Now, any of these properties I could add here into the Essential Graphics panel. But I think I'm good for now. Let's go to the Norway composition. And you'll notice, now, for this pre-comp, I not only have transformed options, I also have master properties. So, if I wanted this bar to be red, instead of this blue color, I'll come right here to my color sampler, and I will just sample this red color. And now you can see, that's actually more of a salmon color. But I'll leave that. Now, I already have another composition, Canada, and if I click on this, you can see, I've got my same title animation here. That has the same master properties. So, for this one, notice I still have the original blue color that we had in our main title animation composition. But I didn't have to go back to this composition to change anything, because I have my master properties. I can go ahead and right-click here on location text, and I can say, edit value. And when I do that, in here I will type, Canada. Now, notice, even though I typed all lowercase, it stayed uppercase. Because in the master title animation composition, when I created the text, I made sure that all caps on for that text. So, I was able to change the text here. I was able to change the color here. But I never had to go back to the master composition. By utilizing master properties, I was able to better manage versioning across multiple projects. Here we go. We are done for today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below. And take a look at our courses here on the channel and our first channel, Everything PS. See you next time. Goodbye, my friend.